that is cones and spheres. Look at these figures. What is the name of this shape? It is a cone. This is an ice cream cone and this is clown's cap. Do you notice any difference in both these pictures? This cone has been closed after filling ice cream in it. Its circular top is closed. The circular base of this cap is not closed. Just like the previous shape, the cone is also a three-dimensional shape. Now, observe this cone and tell how many faces and edges does it have. A cone that is closed by a flat disc has one curved surface, one circular flat face and one circular edge. An open cone has a curved surface and a circular edge but no flat face. So now tell how many vertices do they have? The tip of the cone is called its apex. Thus, this is the one vertex of the cone. Remember, a closed cone has one curved face, one circular flat face and one circular edge. An open cone has a curved face and a circular edge but no flat surface. Let us now try one activity. Using a compass, draw a circle with center P on a paper. Draw two radii of the circle and name them as radius PA and radius PB. Cut out the circle. Now cut along the radii and obtain two pieces of the circle. So here we have cut it, and now what we have to do is that these are the two pieces. Bring together the sides together, then we get two cones, isn't it? So out of those two pieces, when we brought those two sides PA and PB together, we have got two cones of each piece. So now let's learn about the next three-dimensional object. So here on the screen you are able to see two pictures, isn't it? The first one is of laddu and the second one is an iron ball. What is the name of this shape? Yes, the name of this shape is sphere. Yes, so both the pictures are called spheres. Yes, the shape of it is sphere. The sphere has just one curved face. It does not have any vertices or edges. Okay, so this was the last three-dimensional object or shape which we have learned. Okay, so now we will move on to practice set 41. Okay, before that we'll just revise about sphere, that a sphere just has one curved face. Okay, so I hope you have understood about all the three-dimensional shapes, its edges, faces, vertices, what is pyramids, what are prisms. Okay, and I hope you have understood how to identify the shapes and write its names, and also faces, edges and vertices. Based on this, we are going to solve practice set 41. So now what you are going to do, you will write the notes whatever I am going to give in your CW, and then we will solve practice set 41. Let us now begin with practice set 41. So the question is, write the number of faces, edges and vertices of each shape in the table. So first they have given us the names of different faces. Okay, so the names are cylinder. Next they have given us cone, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, hexagonal prism and pentagonal prism. Okay, later on they have shown the shapes of those figures. Okay, means how the cylinder is, cone, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid and so on. How they are, they have shown the picture of them. Okay, and they are asking us to write the number of faces, vertices and edges. Okay, so now let's take each one of them and study about their number of faces, vertices and edges. So now let's start. So the first one is cylinder. Yes, so a cylinder has one curved face. Is it round in shape? So this portion, whatever I am marking, okay, is this a curved portion? Yes, so it has one curved face. Okay, next, now whatever I am drawing and coloring, that are, see, one and other one, this is 2. Okay, so it has 2 circular face. Okay, so the first one was one curved face and then 2 circular face. Okay, later on we have to write number of vertices. Are you able to see any point in this diagram? No, there is not. This diagram is not having any point. This means a cylinder does not has any vertex. So there are 0 vertices or 0 vertex. Okay, now next thing, that is the edge. So now whatever I am drawing, yes, these are the edges. Are they having circular shape? Yes, so how many circular shapes are there? 2. And are they edges? Yeah, border, isn't it? So a cylinder has 2 circular edges. Did you understand, children? So let's write and see how. A cylinder has one curved face, 2 circular faces, 0 vertices and 2 circular edges. Now we'll move on to the next shape, that is cone. So a cone has one curved face. Okay, so see here, this is one curved face. Yes, now next thing, it has one circular flat face. See here, in this way, is it circular? And if I'll color, then is it flat? Yes, so this is the second face, that is one circular flat face. So see, a cone has one curved face and one circular flat face. Now the number of vertices. So whatever point you can see up, I have shown you red color, that is the vertex. So a cone has one vertex. Next thing, that is the number of edges. So see, whatever I am coloring, that is the edge. And is it circular? Yes, so it has one circular edge. Okay, so now let's write. A cone has one curved face and one flat face. Second, it has one vertex. Next, it has one circular edge. Okay, so now the third shape, that is pentagonal pyramid. So this is a pentagonal pyramid. Okay, now we'll write its number of faces, edges and vertices. So let's start. See now. So first I will draw a border of one face. See, is it triangular? Suppose if I'll color, then this becomes one face. Okay, now I'll use some different color and show you the other face. Is it in this way? Second. Okay, now the backside face, is it in this way? So third face. Okay, So now see, fourth one. Next, this is the fifth one. Okay, so 5 standing faces. Now one more face is there which is at bottom. So see here, so this is one more face. So total there are 6 faces for pentagonal pyramid. Did you get those faces? Now we will mark or name the number of vertices. Okay, so see, the number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so wherever you can see a point, that is number of vertices. So a pentagonal pyramid has 6 vertices. Now we will mark the edges. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 each. Okay, next 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 edges. Now let us write this in table. A pentagonal pyramid has 6 faces, 6 vertices and 10 edges. So the next shape is hexagonal pyramid. So first we will see the faces. Okay, so see, this I am just marking a border. Okay, so this is the back side face. I will color it. Okay, so number of the first face. Okay, I will use some other color and show you second face. See here, this side, in this way, second face. Next, this side we have third face. Okay, next front, this whole front one, fourth, then here fifth. Okay, and the front one, this one, 6. Okay, so standing 6 faces. And then now if we will see at the down side, then here we are having one more face, down one. So this is the 7th face. Okay, so hexagonal pyramid has 7 faces. Did you understand? Now we will mark the number of vertices. So see, with the red color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 vertices. Let us now count the number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of edges are 12. Okay, so now let's write this in the table. Hexagonal pyramid has 7 faces, 7 vertices and 12 edges. Now let's move on to the next shape, that is hexagonal prism. So first we will mark the number of faces and write its number. Okay, so see, first I'll show you the back one. Okay, so this is the first face. Next, second, third, this is fourth, this one here, fifth, and the front one, sixth. Okay, so 6 faces are there, standing faces. Okay, now the next, see here, upper one 7 and down one 8. So hexagonal prism has 8 faces. Okay, so see, Prism means the top and bottom faces are identical. Yes or no? So it has 8 faces. Now we will mark the number of vertices. Okay. Now we will count number of vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are the number of vertices. So hexagonal prism has 12 vertices. Next we'll count the number of edges. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Number of edges. Okay. Now we'll write this in the table. So hexagonal prism has 8 faces, 12 vertices and 18 edges. Now we will study the last shape, that is pentagonal prism. Let us now count number of faces. So I'll just draw the border. See, this is our first face. Next, second one, third, fourth, and front one 5. Okay. Now see next, upper one 6 and down one 7. Okay. So there are total 7 faces for pentagonal prism. Now we will count number of vertices. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are number of vertices. Means it has 10 vertices. Now we will count number of what? Correct. Edges. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So there are 15 edges for pentagonal prism. So now let's write it in the table. So a pentagonal prism has 7 faces, 10 vertices and 15 edges. So here we have completed our practice set 41. You can take the screenshot and write the question and the table with the number of faces, edges and vertices in your CW. So we have also completed our lesson 3-dimensional shapes. I hope you have understood the lesson. This was very interesting and easy lesson. So I hope you have understood it. Write the notes and the practice sets neatly in your CW. Thank you.